बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा, अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. The Brave Little Sparrow complete story. One day, a terrible fire spread in the forest. All animals ran away, but a little sparrow kept flying to the river. She carried drops of water in her beak and dropped them on the fire again and again. The animals laughed, but the sparrow said, "I may be small, but I'm doing my part." Her courage inspired others, and soon many animals joined to fight the fire. Moral: even the smallest effort can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.